Okay, hello everyone. I'm going to be solving the last few questions of the grid for chapter 7. All right, let's start here. The result of the integral 6x squared over x cubed plus 2 dx may be reduced to the form ln k, where k is a constant. Find k and enter its value as a whole number. Okay, the first thing we're going to do here is find u. U is x cubed plus 2. Because the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared, so we can cross this out and take a 2 outside. All right, it's going to be 1 over u. U of 2 is equal to 10, and u of 0 is equal to 2, so it's going to be 10. Okay, so it's a rule that the derivative of ln is equal to 1 over u. So the integral of 1 over u is equal to ln by default. It's going to be ln u 10 2. And then it's just basic calculation from here. Ln 10 minus ln 2. Okay, and then it's going to be equal to 2 ln 5, ln 5 squared, ln 25. So k is equal to 25. Okay, I'm just going to remove that to make space. Okay, if the integral of 6e to the power of negative cotan y over sine squared y dy is equal to iy plus c, what is the value of I pi over 2? Okay, so the first step here again is to find u. Okay, so you should be aware that the derivative of negative cotan y is sine squared y. If we pick cotan y, negative cotan y as our u, we are gonna get sine squared y as our u prime. So we can cross it out, and we're gonna have integral of 6eu. The integral of e is still e, so it's just gonna be 6eu plus c. That means that the function i's equation is 6eu. In that case, you're just going to substitute pi over 2 in u, and you're going to get your final answer, 6e pi over 2. On your calculator, you're going to find that it's equal to 1, so the final answer is 6. Okay, the result of the integral ln 10 0 3 may be reduced to the form ln k, where k is a constant. Okay, again, the first step here is to find u. U here is very clearly ex plus 2, because the derivative of u is ex. So you can cross this ex out, just take the 3 outside. Okay, 1 over u. Ln 10, u ln 10 is equal to 12, because e to the power of ln something is equal to the something. And u of 0 is equal to 3, because e to the power of 0 is 1 plus 2 is 3. So you're going to have 3. Okay, as we said in number 54, the integral of 1 over u is ln. So it's going to be 3 ln u 12, 3. And you're going to go ahead and get your final answer to be 3 ln 4 ln 64. So k is 64. Moving on. Number 57. Okay, so as we mentioned above, e to the integral of e is still 3ex, 3e. So it's just going to be 3ex ln 8 ln 4, which is going to be 3e ln 8 minus e ln 4. And e to the power of ln something is equal to the something. So it's just going to be 3 times 8 minus 4, 12. So the final answer is 12. Number 58. Okay, find u. Here we have 5x to the power of 4, and we want to get rid of that. And we can get rid of that by assigning u to be x to the power of 5, because the derivative of x to the power of 5 is 5x to the power of 4. So this will be crossed out, you're going to have integral e to the power of u. u2 is 2 to the power of 5, which is 32. And u0 is 0 to the power of 5, which is still 0. So it's going to be 32, 0, e32 minus e0, because integral of e is still e. e32 minus 1, simplifying because e to the power of 0 is 1. And now we found in this form, ea minus b, where a is 32 and b is 1. They're asking for the value of a plus b, so you're just going to add 32 plus 1, 33. Number 59. Integral of 3x, 3 to the power of x equals fx plus c, fine. Okay, here's another rule. This is an exponential function, and when we have an exponential function like that, its integral is the base, it's the equation, the function, over ln the base, which is 3, all right, plus c. We have x, which is 3, and we have ln 3, which is 9 over 8. So you're just going to substitute to 3 to the power of 3 by 9 over 8, and you're going to simplify. You should get 24 as your final answer. Number 60, the last one. Okay, so you should be aware if logarithm e is equal to ln. So we should try, since we know the derivative of ln, we should try to get logarithm e. And we can do that by taking this 2 out. How do we do that? We just take it out from here. It's a rule. So we're going to put 7 over 2 logarithm e 2x to the power 4 minus x squared plus 6. Okay, logarithm e, we could make that a ln. And here, now we just have to derive that. The derivative of ln is u prime over u. So you're going to do 7 over 2 times 8x to the power of 3 minus 2x over 2x to the power of 4 minus x squared plus 6. And then you're just going to simplify and substitute x to be 1. You can do that here. 7 over 2 times 4x cubed minus x, 2x to the power 4 minus x squared plus 6. Boom, boom. And then put 1. Your final answer should be 3. Okay, yeah, so that's it for the grid for chapter 7. If there's any hard questions you guys want us to solve, I think you should just put it in the comments.